Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Juhi and I'm a cabin crew who only flies to London. Today is a rest day and tomorrow I'm going for my training. It's basically an exam that I have to give every year. हर किसी एयरलाइन में एग्ज़ाम्स होते हैं every year and it's like a license for us. हमें वो एग्ज़ाम्स पास करने होते हैं. The exams are mostly based on the types of aircraft we fly and what kind of first aid we give to the passengers, what kind of services we provide, what kind of security protocols we have in flight. तो इन सब के एग्ज़ाम्स होते हैं and it's absolutely necessary to pass. वही एग्ज़ाम है मेरा and for that I'm going to London tomorrow and I'll be there for 2 days. तो मैं कल as a passenger जा रही हूँ London. So I want to take you along with me. Let's go. We have just cleared security and immigration and now we are going to eat something before going to our flight. We have almost 1 hour to board. Yeah, see you. So I'm traveling with my training mate. We feel like it's a vacation because that's what happens when you travel with your friends, even for work. I feel like I'm on vacation and we are casually strolling around duty free. हम लोग देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे खाए वहाँ पे खाए. So we are just waiting for our order, and then I think it has arrived. It's very important to drink water in flight. Very, very important. Some of the things that I keep in my cabin bag are lip balms because your lips tend to get really dry. So an eye mask, earphones, very important, and some munchies. Especially for long flights, these things are really important. And some socks as well because the feet tends to get really cold. And your own blanket because there are bacteria everywhere. I'm using the aircraft blanket.
Yeah.
Hey, I've just reached the hotel. I should say that I'm not tired, but I'm definitely very sleepy because right now the time here is 6:45 I think, और इंडिया में अभी शायद 12:30 बज रहे होंगे रात के. तो मुझे नींद आ रही है. मैं थोड़ी देर बाद सोऊंगी because हम लोगों को खाना वगैरह खाना है. And I have decided that we will meet at the crew lounge. We'll eat our dinners and then we'll study, maybe discuss few things for a while, and then go to sleep. This was the same hotel that we were staying in when we were in our training. So it's pretty nostalgic. Whenever we are here, this is the second time doing my exams. Very nostalgic. And I think they have gotten some renovations done here. Thoda change lag raha hai, but other than that, it's pretty, like these lights were not there. We had a bathtub. The bathtub's not there. But it's okay. But other than that, I'm pretty happy that we have like 3 nights here. We'll relax, we'll study, and we'll have fun because I have my training mate with me, my friend. We are going to have lots of fun and study as well because that's the most important thing. So I'll see you in my next vlog. जो भी मैं training में करती हूँ, I mean मैं सब कुछ नहीं दिखा पाऊँगी because we can't really film obviously inside the classroom. I mean if you're interested, then stay tuned. Bye.